Hello, this is Laptop Media, and today, we will show you how to open the Dell Latitude 147430 and what's inside of it. To open this device, you need to undo 8 captive Phillips head screws. Then, pry the bottom panel with a plastic tool, starting from the hinge gaps.
Please remember, it would be of great help to us if you just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That would motivate us to make even more and better videos for you.
Inside, we get a 58 watt-hours battery pack. It lasts for 9 hours of web browsing, or 8 hours of video playback. To remove it, unplug the battery connector, and undo the 3 captive Phillips head screws. Here, the memory is soldered to the motherboard. The maximum capacity you can get is 32 GB, while the type depends on the processor. The 15-watt models get DDR4 RAM, while the 28-watt versions are equipped with LPDDR5 memory. As for storage, there is one M.2 PCIe X4 slot, which supports Gen 4 SSDs. This notebook's cooling comprises one heat pipe, a side-mounted heat sink, and a fan. If you'd like to see more disassembly videos of the latest notebooks, we would highly appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.